Well, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful fall day here on the homestead. Past few days, we've been getting some pretty hard frost. So I've been covering up some of my salads here because the frost hit them worse than I thought they were going to. So I think my salad season's pretty much over. I hope I have enough for the farmer's market this weekend. But we still have beets and carrots. They're coming along slowly. We got some cabbages down there. But for me, the growing season's pretty much over. Tomatoes got hit pretty hard in the greenhouse there. But today what I want to show you guys is our grapes I planted this spring, our first grapes of the homestead. They got hit with the frost pretty good too, so they're looking pretty sad. But I'm going to cut them today and I'm going to save the seed from them. So yeah, like I said, they look pretty sad due to the frost. So this one here, it's a white grape. This is Uskal, I can't pronounce that. I'm not even going to try. Something Muscat. So it's good for fresh eating and wine. So I wanted a grape variety that would be good for both if I ever do make wine. So they're usually not this dark, but because the frost hit them, they've concentrated in flavor. And so I'm going to pick them here and get them into the bin. I could probably just cut the whole things off, but they seem to be coming off pretty easily here with the frost they've damaged. I should have done this a few days ago, but I've been going pretty nuts here, trying to get all my wood cut for the season. It's that time of year. I need my sugar shack still done. But here you go. So I think these are 2-year-old vines, if I believe. So I pruned a little bit of them. I've tried training them a little, some of them. So I should cut some of these back, I think. And then next year we'll get more off here. I'm not really sure. I'm still learning about grapes and how they grow and how to train them properly. But this is the one variety here. So we'll finish getting those ones off. We'll get these few ones here, and I'm going to save the seeds too. So let's try these out here and see how they taste. Very nice. And lots of seeds. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, very good. Very nice grape. So that was a good choice. I don't really know much about grape flavors and different types of grapes, but I was just going by the description. So down here, I've got 3 grapevines that I planted. I think I did 2 red and 1 white, or the other way around. But here's the other ones here. These ones here didn't produce grapes this year. Oh yeah, this is the other white one here. Same variety. So they didn't produce, but the red ones produced pretty good this year. And they are the very first ones. Oh, I covered them last night just in case it frosted again. So here we go. And these ones are Swenson Red. And I believe they're 2-year-old vines as well. And so they did pretty good. So I started training them along as well up here. And look how nice they look here. They produce really well for the first year. Oh, even more down here, wow. All right, so we'll pick one quickly here. Okay. Lots of seeds as well. So that's a nice flavor too. Nice, sweet, and delicious. And they almost have like the inside is almost like a Concord grape. They're kind of squishy insides. So that's awesome. So I'm hoping to grow a lot more of these. I'll save the seeds, like I said, so I can try to get a little mini orchard going with, or vineyard, I guess, because I have a juice press I bought. So I want to be able to press lots of juices and stuff like that. So we'll get those going. But anyways, there we go, guys. Our first grapes on the homestead. I wasn't expecting anything this year, but it worked out great for us, even if it's just a handful. Nice little tasty treat. So there we have it. So these ones are good for, what's it say here? I think zone 3-4 they're good for. So they're pretty hardy grapes. So we don't have any problems here having them die off from the cold or anything. So that's pretty exciting. And what else does it say about them here? They're self-fertile, which is one other thing I wanted, because I didn't want to have a whole bunch of different varieties to have them cross-pollinate and have to pollinate that way. So it's worked out well. And I got them from Whiffle Tree Seeds here in Ontario, and they ship them in the spring. You just pick the shipping date you want and they ship them off, and they arrive at your door and you get them in that day. So it's pretty exciting to have that done. We got all our apple trees and fruit trees over there as well from them. My strawberry plants, which are doing really awesome too. But there you go. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed that quick video on our first grapes on the homestead. Super exciting here, and we'll see you out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a share, and hit that like button. We'll see you out there.